What if I told you that your SAT score isn't just about how you study, but where and how smartly you use your tools? Over 90% of students are wasting time burning their eyes and mismanaging their prep, all without realizing it. And in this video, I'm breaking down 6 brutal SAT problems every SAT student faces and how one PDF tool secretly solves all of them. You will wish you knew this way sooner, especially the part where you can literally talk to your PDFs. Ever stared at an SAT reading passage and thought, what the hell am I even reading? Dense language, confusing tone, random historical reference. And don't even get me started on the SAT math section. But here's the cheat code nobody told you about. UPDF's built-in AI assistant. You just upload your SAT practice PDF and instead of panicking, you just ask, can you explain exactly how to solve this SAT question? Boom! Instant answer. And that is a game changer for SAT prep. Think about it. You're not scrolling Reddit for half-baked answers. You're not waiting 12 hours for a tutor to apply. You're literally chatting with your PDF. And it's like having a private SAT coach who lives inside your notes. You know that feeling when your eyeballs start vibrating. That's not exhaustion, that is digital eye strain. And here's the messed up part. Most SAT students think that pain is just part of the grind. And I remember one night, I was 73 questions deep into an SAT reading test. My screen was at max brightness, the white background was punching me in the face, but I kept going because I thought that's what dedicated looked like. I was literally burning my vision trying to get a better score. As a matter of fact, eye strain actually lowers your focus and comprehension. You think you're studying, but your brain is just surviving. And that's when I found UPDF's eye protection mode. The screen instantly changes to this soft, dark-toned view. No glare, no harsh whites, just calm, readable contrast. And it's like night mode, but it's really made for studying PDFs, not scrolling memes. And after switching, I noticed something very weird. I wasn't just more comfortable, I was actually understanding more. Turns out, when your eyes aren't constantly tensing up, your brain can finally focus on what really matters. The less pain, the more progress. In fact, one study found that proper screen lighting improves reading retention by 35%. So yeah, eye protection mode isn't just a comfort hack, it's actually SAT score booster. If you're prepping with PDFs on a regular screen, you're studying in hard mode. You don't need willpower, you just need better tools. Turn on eye protection and let your eyes breathe. Link is below, you can try out UPDF. Your brain will definitely thank you. You ever spend hours building the perfect SAT study notes? And then someone borrows your file and messes it up. Deletes a formula, adds random highlights, or worse, shares it in a group chat like they made it. That hits way harder than getting a reading -10. You don't want that exposed, altered, or stolen. Your notes are your edge. So protect them like wine. UPDF gives you something 99% of PDF tools don't. Two-layer PDF password protection. Layer 1, nobody can open the file without your passcode. Layer 2, even if they open it, they can't edit or copy anything. You control access and permissions, double lockdown. Got sensitive notes? UPDF also lets you redact info, like fully black it out, gone forever. Perfect for when you're sharing practice sets with others but want to keep certain gems for your eyes only. You can share the PDF, keep the secret. If you're building the gold level prep material, don't leave it out in the open like loose change. Use UPDF, lock it, redact it, protect your grind. Download link is in the description. Most students want to be organized, but no one teaches you how to annotate properly. That's why you feel busy, but not better. I used to just highlight some random stuff, author names, big words, dates, until one day I scrolled back through my notes and realized I couldn't tell what any of it meant. No system, no focus, just noise. That's when I found UPDF's annotation tools, not just the highlighter, an entire toolkit. With UPDF, I built my own visual language. Yellow means main ideas. Green is evidence, pink is tone or attitude, blue comments are personal summaries in 5 words or less. And the best part? It stays very clean, no lag, no clutter, just smart, fast annotation. Every mark has meaning right now. UPDF gives you sticky notes, text boxes, underlines, and even drawing tools. So whether you're tackling a brutally history digital SAT passage or dissecting a math word problem, you can break it down your way. In fact, research shows students who color code with intention retain up to before UPDF, I was rereading the same page 3 times. And after UPDF, one look and I know what's important. That's not just a cleaner file, that's a sharper brain. If you want to stop reviewing and start actually remembering, don't just read your SAT materials, build them, color them, own them. Make sure to download UPDF. You ever highlight something super important on your phone, then get home, open your laptop, and it's gone? That highlight, that notes, that insight. It's like your effort never happened. This is the hidden struggle no one talks about. You're trying to study across 3 devices, but your tools are stuck in 2009. Phone app, no sync, laptop, wrong version, tablet, no annotation saved. And it's literally like prepping with 3 brains that don't talk with each other. SAT prep is about memento. You study in short bursts, at school, in cafes, and at home. And every moment really matters. And if your notes don't follow you, your progress dies in the gap. Great study tools should mood fizz you. One UPDF license works on Mac, Windows, iPhone, iPad, Android. And here's the best part. Every highlight, every AI chat, every comment is automatically synced. You could start studying on your phone at the bus stop and finish the same passage on your laptop in bed, exactly where you left off. Real talk, I didn't sign up for the SAT just to become a PDF janitor. One day, I looked at my folder and thought, am I studying for the SAT or running a file storage startup? 40 plus PDFs, no structure, no mercy. It starts small. One reading test, one math section, one vocab list, one prefixes list. You're not studying, you're storing chaos. I once spent 25 minutes looking for one SAT question. Turns out I had saved it as final 2 PDF, and I had 5 other files with the exact same name. At that point, I realized this isn't an SAT problem, it's a systems problem. That's where UPDF's batch processing changed everything. It's like having an assistant for your PDFs. Want to rename 30 files in one click? Done. Want to compress them all for your phone? Easy. Need to OCR your scanned worksheets into searchable text? Yup, in seconds. One tool, all the grunt work gone. Now, I convert full test sets to Word in bulk, rename them by topic, compress them for storage, even turn handwritten notes into searchable PDFs. All without opening each file. 30 minutes of pain solved in 30 seconds. Time wasted searching files equals 6+ hours per month for the average student. But students who batch process their materials stay way more organized and way more consistent. I highly recommend you to download UPDF now. The link is in the description because if your prep tools are not leveling you up, they're holding you back. Don't grind harder, prep smarter. Try UPDF today. Your future score will thank you.